New statement of changes announced. In this video, we will be discussing about the statement of changes to the immigration rules, which was published on the 10th of December 2020.
Brightest and the best.
Changing the UK
Single global
immigration system.
Changes in exceptional assurance. If you plan to leave the UK, but were unable to do so, and you have a visa or leave to remain that expires between the 1st of December 2020 and the 31st of January 2021, you can ask for additional time to stay in the UK, known as exceptional assurance, by emailing CIH Assurance Team at homeoffice.gov.uk. Please keep in mind that, if your leave expires after the 31st of October 2020, you can make your UK visa application from within the UK, where you would generally be required to apply for a UK visa from your home country if your UK visa application is urgent. For instance, if you have a family crisis and are unable to apply from outside the UK. You are unable to apply from outside the UK because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Please note that this policy is continuously being kept under review. If you are in the UK with 6 months leave as a fiancé or proposed civil partner, and your wedding or civil ceremony has been postponed because of the COVID-19 pandemic, you can request additional time to stay in the UK by emailing the Exceptional Assurance Team and given proof of when your wedding will occur. Changes in Tier 1 Entrepreneur Visa. There were updates in Tier 1 Entrepreneur Visa if your business has been disrupted due to COVID-19 pandemic. You are no longer required to hire at least 2 people for 12 consecutive months. The 12-month period you are obligated to hire an employee for can be made up of several jobs across different months, but this should be equal to 2 full-time jobs. The time period when your employees were furloughed will calculate towards the 12-month period if they have been remunerated at least 80% of their usual salary. If you have not been able to hire an employee for 12 months, by the time your visa expires, you will be permitted to extend your stay for an additional 2 years, if you can demonstrate that you have generated a minimum of 2 jobs by the date you apply. You were unable to hire staff for 12 months because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Changes in Tier 1 Startup Visa. There were updates in Startup Visa, especially if your business has been disrupted because of the COVID-19 pandemic. You can apply for further leave of 12 months. This will permit your startup visa to exceed the usual maximum 2-year period, so you can carry on growing your business against your arranged business plan. You should fulfill the obligations of the visa route as usual, including being endorsed by an endorsing body. Your endorsing body need to evaluate your business and be convinced that sufficient progress has been made, taking into consideration the influence of COVID-19, and that the business stays sustainable. Your endorsing body should give you an endorsement letter. This should mention that it is an application for a temporary extension by fulfilling the related sections and giving the obligated information in the endorsement letter. Changes in 30-day or 90-day visa Vignette. Please note that there were changes in 30-day or 90-day expired visa Vignette to work, study, or join family. If your 90-day Vignette has expired, you will be required to apply for a replacement by submitting the online form. The fee of replacing an expired 90-day Vignette is £154, and you will be required to make an appointment to resubmit your biometric information. We highly suggest that you only apply for a new visa or apply to replace an expired Vignette when you are sure you can come to the UK. The new Vignette will be authorized for a period of 90 days. If you are unable to travel during this time, you will be required to apply again to update your Vignette. If you have lodged an application for a replacement Vignette and are currently waiting for a decision, but presently no longer plan to travel, you must submit a withdrawal request at the visa application center that you applied from, so your travel documents, like passport, can be given back to you. Please note that you will be able to get your 30-day vignettes replaced free of cost until the 31st of December 2020. This is the end of today's video update. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching today's video update.